Welcome learners to Form 2 Mathematics. My name is Teacher Jean. Today learners, I would like us to look at what we call linear scale factor, area scale factor, and volume scale factor. All this learner is to do with the similar solids. Now, let us look at these example here, learner. Two solids have surface area of 48 centimeters squared and 108 centimeters squared respectively. That is to do with the surface area. One has 48 centimeters squared and the other one 108 centimeters squared. Find the volume of the solid, of the smaller solid, if the larger solid has a volume of 162 centimeters cubed. Find the volume of the smaller solid, learner, if the larger solid has a volume of 162. Learner, the first sentence is talking about area scale factor. Area scale factor, which we write in short as ASF, refers to the ratio of the areas, and therefore in this case we can write area scale factor is 48:1 learner. Simplify this ratio by dividing through maybe by 12. For example, I can decide to divide by 12. You simplify it as much as possible, learner, so that you don't use big numbers. So this divided by this, learner, gives us 4, and this divided by this gives us 9. Look at this, learner, smaller numbers now. So our area scale factor is 4:9. From here, learner, we've been told to find the volume of the smaller solid. To find the volume of the smaller solid, learner, you first find the linear scale factor, LSF. You know, the ratio of the corresponding sides. How do you get this, learner, when you have area scale factor? To get these, you find square root of the area scale factor. I'm sure you have come across this formula here. You find the square root of area scale factor. And therefore, in our case, learner, you find the square root of 4 and you find the square root of 9. And so, our linear scale factor is 2:3. Look at that, learner. This is our linear scale factor. Good. From here, learner, the linear scale factor is 2:3. So volume scale factor, VSF in short, volume scale factor is equals to what, learner? To get volume scale factor given linear scale factor, we cube the linear scale factor. I'm sure you've come across that. Volume scale factor is equals to linear scale factor cubed, learner. And therefore, our volume scale factor in this case will be what? 2 cubed, the linear scale factor, cubed, and 3 cubed, like that. 2 cubed, learner, is 8. 3 cubed is 27. So this is the ratio of their volumes. When the smaller one is 8 centimeters cubed, the other one is 27 centimeters cubed, learner. So from our question, we are given the volume of the bigger solid. Look at this, learner. We are given that the volume of the bigger solid is 162 centimeters squared, and we are required to find the volume of the smaller solid. So you come here, you fix your 162 on this end where you have the bigger solid, 162. So if the volume of the bigger solid is 162, what about the volume of the smaller solid? In this case, learner, you just need to cross multiply like that. So 162 times 8, okay, divide by 27 will give you what? Use a calculator and you should get 48 centimeters, cubed. 48 centimeters cubed. So the volume of the smaller solid is that. So learner, remember we are starting with area scale factor. You simplify, then to get the linear scale factor, you find square root of the area scale factor. After getting now the linear scale factor, to get the volume scale factor, learner, you cube the linear scale factor. Look at this, look at that. You get this is to that, then you now bring in the volume of the bigger solid, which is 162. You fix it on this end, then you cross multiply to get the volume of the smaller solid. Go and practice this, learner. Thank you very much. God bless you.